Kolkata, city of joy, glitters with the colors of Christmas, as it's all larger than life, with lights in the midst of the festive celebration, ahead of New Year. In Kolkata, Park Street, Allen Park, and Cathedral Road are some of the few places that are all decorated for Christmas. Kolkata is no short of an ancient architectural wonderland. So obviously, there are numerous aesthetic churches that you must visit this Christmas. Kolkata Christmas Festival is back with all its brilliance, grandeur, and splendor throughout Kolkata. The opening of the 12th iteration of the carnival took place on December 21st in Allen Park on Park Street by Chief Minister of West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee. The themed lighting begins from St. Xavier's College on Park Street and stretches up to Jawaharlal Nehru Road at one end and the Mullet Bazaar crossing on the other. The area around St. Paul's Cathedral on Cathedral Road has also been lit up. The trees are out, decorations line the stalls, and the smell of plum cake wafts around. Kolkata's Christmas markets are ready to offer everything for Christmas decor. You can visit New Market, Park Street, Mirza Ghalib Road Market, and Burra Bazaar Christmas Market. Kolkata Christmas Festival 2022. Starting on December 21st, Park Street in Allen Park have entertainment, food, and more reasons to enjoy over the holiday season. Like every year, Bow Barracks has been illuminated with special thematic lights. The Bow Barracks Fest is best experienced in the evenings, when the illuminations are turned on and, coupled with the Christmas trees and other decorations, transform the area for a few days into a wonderful, magical land. New Market at Taltala. Hit up right at the heart of New Market. Trees, lights, baubles, bells, and all, Kolkata's quintessential and Christmas market is ready to offer everything for Christmas decor. This Christmas, come to Kolkata and enjoy Christmas vibes from Park Street to Bow Barracks. Discover the top 3 churches, carnivals in Kolkata. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of our viewers.
Please like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to see updates on our latest videos.